In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse the X and Y axis in AutoCAD. This is a fundamental technique that can be incredibly useful when you're dealing with specific drawings or working in a complex environment where the orientation of your axes needs to be quickly adjusted. So grab your mouse and let's dive right in. First, we're going to begin by interacting with the command line. Now, if you're not familiar with the command line in AutoCAD, it's that text box near the bottom of the interface. It's an incredibly powerful tool in AutoCAD, allowing you to enter commands directly instead of navigating through menus. We're going to type the command UCS, which stands for User Coordinate System. This is what you'll use to manipulate your drawing axes. Once you've typed UCS, press Enter. This will tell AutoCAD that you want to make changes to your current coordinate system. The next input will be the number 0. By typing 0 and pressing Enter, you're essentially resetting your UCS to the default setting. This step is critical because you want to ensure that the coordinate system recognizes your next set of instructions without any interference from previous adjustments. Now, we'll move on to aligning the axes. Using your mouse, you're going to align the X-axis with what is currently the Y-axis in your drawing. This step might sound a bit tricky, but it simply involves clicking and dragging along your workspace to show the software your desired orientation. You should pay attention to the on-screen prompts, which will guide you like guardrails, ensuring that you don't stray off course. Once you've got your X-axis aligned, it's time to focus on the Y-axis. Again, using your mouse, align this axis to where the X-axis used to be. It's all about swapping their positions visually, but keeping in mind the system's orientation logic. This may feel counterintuitive at first, but with practice, you'll find it straightforward. And just like that, the task is complete. Your X and Y axes have been successfully reversed. This technique allows you to better control and visualize your sketches or projects that require this flip in perspective. It can greatly facilitate your workflow, especially in projects that require precision layout adjustments or when collaborating with others who might use a different axis orientation. Today, you've not only learned how to reverse the X and Y axis in AutoCAD, but also gained insight into the flexibility and power of the UCS command. Mastering simple yet powerful commands like these can significantly boost your efficiency and give you even more creative control over your designs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials to continue improving your AutoCAD skills.